Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to fix Xbox error code 0X801901A5. If your Xbox shows this error, start by checking Xbox Live and System status. Head to the official Xbox Live status page to see if any outages are affecting services. And if so, wait until they're resolved. Next, power cycle your console to clear temporary glitches. Hold the power button for about 10 seconds until it fully shuts off. Unplug it for 10 to 15 seconds, then plug it back in and restart. Ensure your internet connection is stable by restarting your router or switching to a wired Ethernet connection for better reliability. Another step is clearing your alternate MAC address and settings under Network and then Advanced Settings, alternate MAC address, then restart the console to resolve persistent connection issues. Finally, refresh your account authentication by signing out from the guide, then signing back in with your Microsoft credentials. Following the steps should resolve most common Xbox error codes. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.